this year because the paper was so difficult. Of course, studying abroad is a dream for many.
Georgia, there are so many universities. So you particularly chose Georgian National University. So was there a reason behind it?
When I first filled the form, I thought, okay, my work is done.
Georgia process is very long.
Exactly.
You know, it take like good 4-5 months to complete the.
That was the only thing that made me cry.
No, I know initially choosing a consultancy and then going through the process and बहुत सारे frauds और scams भी हैं. कुछ ऐसा fear आपको रहा पूरी जर्नी में? हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. मैं हूँ सृष्टि खेड़ा. मेरे साथ संजना है. ये अपनी MBBS के लिए जॉर्जियन नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी SCU में जा रही है. Congratulations, संजना.
Thank you, ma'am.
संजना, can you just give a brief introduction about yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Sanjana Gupta from Delhi. I am going to Georgia for my MBBS studies.
और संजना, you know, we would love to know आपकी नीट से लेकर के जाने तक का पूरा जर्नी कैसे रही?
Okay, so I gave my NEET in 2024. I scored 590 marks at that time. So I thought of taking a drop. But then this year, because the paper was so difficult, I couldn't get sufficient scores here. So I then decided to choose MBBS abroad because, of course, studying abroad is a dream for many students. So I thought this could be a good option. I chose Georgia because Georgia is a very safe country, I feel, with a very low criminal rate, and it's a beautiful country. So I would love to explore that country. So that's the reason I chose Georgia.
और Georgia में there are so many universities. So you particularly chose Georgian National University. So was there a reason behind it?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, I loved the campus. It's so beautiful, and then the quality of education, the reviews, I researched about the universities and I thought this could be the best option, and also you guys guided me about this university, so yeah.
And you know, Georgia process is very long.
Exactly.
You know, it take like good 4-5 months to complete the process. So how was that journey, you know, starting from the filling the application form and then finally getting the visa and flying?
It was a roller coaster of emotions, to be very honest. When I first filled the form, I thought, okay, my work is done. And then, but when the process started and I submitted all my documents, and then when the time came for the wait of visa, the wait was very long. It was
embassy take very long time.
Embassy took very long time. So, but you guys were very patient with us. You listened to all our queries very nicely, and you solved all our queries very nicely. The process was actually very smooth for me, but the wait for the visa, that was very long.
That is, I think every one of us
that was the only thing that made me cry. Otherwise, the process was very smooth, to be very honest.
Yeah, embassy is taking very long time.
The embassy took a long time. Otherwise, apart from that, all the work was done very nicely and very smoothly. All my queries were answered even at midnight, so I am actually very grateful for that.
And Sanjana, there are so many consultancies out there. How did you manage to choose us among all of them?
Actually, I got to know about you guys through a senior via social media. So
nice.
She recommended that, acha, you guys can choose them. Then I came to your office and then I met you guys. That's how I chose you.
And then, you know, just now it's time that you are flying today. So how would you recommend us and, you know, as such the whole thing to other students, the future students?
If you guys are looking for MBBS abroad, then this is the very right place. Just come here. All of your work will be done very smoothly without any hassles, and you guys are very, very kind, to be very honest, and that's it. I mean,
and you know, something, क्योंकि एक fear होता है सबको, you know. I know initially choosing a consultancy and then going through the process and बहुत सारे frauds और scams भी हैं. कुछ ऐसा fear आपको रहा पूरी जर्नी में?
When I first came, मेरे को थोड़ा सा था, but when I had a talk with you and sir, तो फिर मेरा डर सारा निकल गया था, because apart from being, you know, मतलब you guys were very friendly and very supportive throughout, so that's the best thing I like about you guys.
एंड वो पेरेंट्स का भी होता है ना, पेरेंट्स को विश्वास करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. पेरेंट्स को एक ही होता है बच्चा हमारा सेफ है या नहीं है. सो हाउ डिड यू योर पेरेंट्स, यू नो, काइंड ऑफ कॉप अप विद दोस थिंग्स?
All the queries they had, that were resolved very nicely कि कहाँ रहना है, क्या stay है, and then ये सब सो वो सब आपने बहुत अच्छे से रिजॉल्व कर दिया सर, तो दे वर एबल टू ट्रस्ट यू गाइस वेरी।
आगे भी कुछ भी है संजना, वी आर राइट देयर, ऑल यू नीड डू इज गिव अस अ कॉल एंड वी आर राइट देयर।
वी नो दैट एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट।
And thank you so much, Sanjana,
Thank you,
for your
ma'am.
kind
Thank you.
words. Thank you so much.